why your company needs to be showing up regularly on video and what to do about it if you do not have a lot of time to record. If your company is not showing up weekly on video, you can be sure that your competitors are. So what can you do about this? Your competitors are winning by default. Here's the thing, they are not filming every week. They are working smarter, not harder. And today I want to demonstrate to you how you can do this too. So the issue is the problem of visibility. Most professional services, let's be honest, are invisible online. You might have the best team, the best results, but you're thinking, how do we get the word out? How do people find out more about us and what we can do for them? If you're not showing up consistently in front of your ideal clients, you're simply waiting for those referrals to come in. You are not growing as fast as you possibly could be. Hope is not a strategy. The buyers you're trying to reach, they are online. They are on LinkedIn. They are scrolling through. They're looking for entertaining things to read, conversations to start, and they are watching videos from your competitors. When you're not showing up in their feed regularly, you are not even part of the conversation. I want to talk to you about the myth behind weekly content. Here's the part that trips most companies up. You hear weekly content and you're thinking, oh my goodness, it's going to take time and effort. We need to hire a whole team. We need to set up a studio. Who has got the capacity to even start thinking about that? Never mind get the budget passed. That's where I want to help you out today with what I have called the COPE framework. And that stands for Create Once, Publish Everywhere. This framework is for you if you want to work smarter. We're talking about a smarter way to stay visible without the weekly grind that just is depressing. And you start every Monday thinking, okay, when are we doing this week, guys? What's the time frame in our schedule? If you're like lots of people, including myself, I have to put my hands up here, you will start off with really great intentions and then things fall off track. You get behind, something crops up, pushes your weekly video session, and all of a sudden those weekly videos you've been meaning to post out online have turned into once every 3 or 4 weeks, if you're lucky. This is where COPE comes into play. So instead of filming every week, I want you to think about this differently. Blocking out 30 to 45 minutes once a month to record some video content that will carry you through an entire month of content creation for your business to get more visibility online. You record one focused conversation. This is something I do with all of our clients. So I can do this with you, or you can do it yourself and literally send me the 30-minute video clip and we do all of the rest. Here is what we create for our clients. 1 video, 4 short form video clips for LinkedIn. So that's 1 going out every single week. 2 written posts, 1 carousel post, 1 LinkedIn newsletter, 1 blog article, and 1 email newsletter. Now, how nice does that sound? All you do is record 1 30-minute video and you get all of that content as a result. Now you're showing up every single week with content that is insightful, strategic, engaging your target audience, and raising your company's visibility online. Let me give you a real life example. We have been working with an L&D company. They are a medium-sized business. We have been creating video content, company page posts. We've even run several LinkedIn lives with them, and the repurposing you can get out of a LinkedIn live is phenomenal. 1 video a month, and we have created weekly video, weekly LinkedIn posts, LinkedIn polls, LinkedIn carousel posts, and also their monthly LinkedIn newsletter. The thing with showing up consistently on LinkedIn is that most people, and I'm talking about 99% of people who are on LinkedIn, are lurking. They are scrolling, they're not posting, and they are just looking for your products and services. And if you're not creating this content, then your competitor is getting to work with them instead. Okay, let's talk about some objections you might have to doing video content on LinkedIn. Number 1, you don't have time. So this is where we help you. You do 1 30-minute recording and we take care of all of the rest. If you want, we can set aside one day, and I promise you we can record 6 months of video content in that one day. And then the whole thing is just taken care of. We do have an approval process for our clients, of course. We're not going to put stuff out that you haven't approved. And let's get all of the stuff batched, done, and then we take care of everything else. Okay, maybe you're thinking, I don't really know what to say, Louise. What would we talk about on video? That is where we come in to help you, because we have been doing this with our clients since 2019. We are experienced. We know how this platform works. We know what works on the platform, and we know how to write the content that will start engaging conversations with your target audience. We plan the video out in advance. You will not be showing up to a recording session without knowing what I'm going to ask you and what it is you're going to say. And if you don't like being on camera, I can help with that as well. Clients have said to me in the past that they were so nervous about showing up for one of our sessions, but I made it really simple and really easy for them. And that is really, I think, one of the secret sauces we have in our company, is putting people completely at ease in front of a camera. Something I really enjoy doing, because I believe that you should be visible online, and it's my goal to help you get there. One session a month creates weekly content that is targeted, strategic, and interesting for people to read. I have a free guide to help you with this. Do check that out in the show notes below. Go to louisebrogan.com/video guide to get your copy. And if this helps you to rethink the way you're looking at your content strategy, then do subscribe to the channel and leave any comments you have below.